Talk about a beautiful day, huh? And I got everything on my to-do list done. A+ for me. And it ain't all that bad. On second thought, I knew paper was a bad idea. My oranges! Come back here! Slow down! Ugh. Finally! I think that's the last of them. These arms are pretty handy. So why not build yourself an extra pair? Tuck the hood over it all. And tie the arms together. Pretty handy, right? These groceries are staying put. Genius! To think I used to carry a bag. Huh? Ooh, been there, done that. Whoa! Think my hair can grow like that? Only one way to find out for sure. 1, 2, 3, 4. Aww! Still super straight! I'll just do all the strands at once. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ugh. Okay. I'll just use an elastic to hold it. This has just gotta work. And braids should do it too. These better hold on really tight. Not so cute, but whatever. Oh, I'll never have gorgeous magazine hair.
Why the tears, Annie?
I want to be pretty like her.
Curling's never been my forte, but I think I can do something here. But first, we have to smooth things out. Then twist this way and that way. Uh-oh.
Ouch, Dad!
Ugh. Oh no. It'll grow back. Wait a minute. I know. First, spray a strand with water. Then use the handle of the brush like a curler. Go all the way to the top. Oh, hello, curls.
Wow!
Who needs a hot curling iron? And no heat damage either.
Thanks, Dad!
Glad I figured that one out. What a relief.
You're the best. Honey, look what I've got for you. Brand new markers just for you. Yay! Thanks, Mommy! I love markers! Ooh, 2 greens! I'm gonna start with this one first. I'm so good at drawing, I should win a trophy. I'm gonna use all the colors now. Whoa, it's like a rainbow! I like rainbows. Yay, blue! And I can spell my name with the red. Ugh, why are there so many caps? I don't want them. I'll take off all the caps. Hey, how come this marker doesn't work? Mom! Mom! Mommy! Look! The markers are broken! Fix them! What? But they're brand new. I just bought them. Let me see. What is going on with these darn markers? Okay, come with me. I'll see what I can do. Look, see? All the markers are broken! Oh, I see. You've left all the caps off. Without the caps on the markers, they've all dried out. See, Ava? You need to keep the caps on when you're not using them. Oh, okay. Keep the caps on. Let's see. Where are the other caps? Ava, where did you put them? Here's one. And here's another one too. They're all over the place. How can one little girl make such a mess? Good thing she's so cute. I wish there was a way to help keep her neater. Oh hey! The tape! This gives me a great idea. Here I go. I'll start with a good strip of tape. That should be enough. And then I'll need the markers, of course. I'll just line them up on the tape. There, just like that. And then I can fold the rest of the tape over. This is gonna work great! I just know it! Okay, honey, look at this. Now you won't ever lose your caps again. They're all together, okay? Here you go. Yay! Look! The markers are working again! I made a purple flower and a green heart. Oh, you're such a good little artist. Let's see here. Where do these go? Oh my gosh! Look at all those knives! I can't have this at all! What if my little angel were to get in here? She could injure herself on these utensils! Oh, no! I can't have that at all! I've gotta lock all this away where she can't find it. Phew, that's much better. Now she'll be safe. Okay, let me just pick up some of her toys here. Wait a second! This corner of this table is so sharp! It's almost worse than those knives! She could bang right into it! Oh no, not her precious little knees! I don't want this table to make her cry! Oh my! Oh no way! Not at all! I will not be having such a death machine in my house! There. The pillows are nice and secured along the corners. They're no longer sharp. She'll be safe for sure. Can't forget to lock the door. Wait. The outlets! The outlets in the house! No! What is she doing? She'll get hurt! No! Not my baby! Stop right there! You never ever stick your anything into an outlet. Oh, and look at you. You're a huge mess. Here, let me try to clean you up. Oh, what am I gonna do with you? Hey, wait a second. The lid for these wipes might be the solution. Yes, it's definitely all coming together. I just need to make some alterations. There we go. I can just take the lid right off and stick it on over the outlet. Now it's a wall cover. That should keep her prying fingers away from the socket. Okay, you be good while Mommy's away. Wait a second. The iron! Oh, I'm never gonna be able to leave the house. I love when I dream about ice cream. I could have stayed asleep forever. And I almost did! How did I sleep in this late? I gotta get ready for school! Almost there! Got it! I suppose I can't wear my PJs. Will this do? That's a definite yes! But how about this hair? Do I have any scrunchies around here? No, not that. Hey, I can use that thing there. Come on! Gimme! Whoa! Oh, I stretched it all out! Now what do I do? Oh, I don't wanna know. Oh man. Maybe I can get this thing to work. But I just can't get it tight enough. Oh, this is hopeless. Annie? This thing is totally useless, Mom! Let me show you a little trick. You just need a little bit of heat. Watch. A little heat will shrink it right back down. See? It's totally changing. That should make it elastic again. See? As stretchy as can be. Here. Wow, thanks. I think I can manage this now. Hello, ponytail. Now I can finally head out to school. Annie, your backpack! Bye! Yay! Time to get ready to go to school. I'm gonna get a backpack ride. There! I'm all ready! Dad! Daddy! I'm ready to go to school!
Okay, I'm right here. Let's get you up. Are you ready? Hold on tight.
Whee! This is so fun! I love backpack rides!
It sure is a nice day out, isn't it? Wait, how did we end up here? I must have taken a wrong turn.